Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to change your Snapchat username before 1 year limit. So generally it is not allowed, but you can attempt to bypass it by contacting Snapchat support through their in-app form. So simply go ahead and open your Snapchat, go to your profile and go to your settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find a help center right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. You want to simply go ahead and click on change username right over here, and then simply go ahead and search for it. Once you've done that, it's going to show you this little page right over here. You can also simply go ahead and try to look for the contact form. So I'm just going to go ahead and write form right over here. And when you search for it, you can simply go ahead and tap on Snapchat support right over here. Then you can simply go ahead and tap on this right over here to fill out the form that they have right over here, and then they will get in contact with you. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.